feel to be so powerful and yet so damn good-looking?
Feels good. Feels damn good.
Before my post-game radio program, I must find a way to show you how much you mean to Nikolai.
Nikolai, you sent me flowers? Oh.
Excuse me, these flowers are from me. But, you see the card reads, I love you truly. Not, nice kitty, rough tongue.
Bud.
April, I need to know. Do we go steady, or must I nail many cheap sluts to forget you?
April, I need to know. Are we gonna go steady, or must I watch many cheap sluts on Baywatch to forget you?
Well, there you are, young lady. You have been dodging my calls since last night. Now, how do you explain skipping the teller exam to go to a party with Bud? I skipped the teller exam to go to a party with Bud. Look, April, you cannot be a successful banker if all you think about is men. You have to find yourself first. And then you can look for a boyfriend. Or Bud. Now, come with me. I'll give you a makeup exam. Oh my God, that's my ex-husband. That's Steve.
For our next spontaneous question, Dean, was it your impressive resume that got you this job, or your penetrating blue eyes?
It was a ragu of eyes and resume with a dash of rapier wit.
Please. I did some checking. 2 months ago, you were the chauffeur for the college president. How do you explain your meteoric rise?
That's not one of the spontaneous questions.
I don't suppose it had anything to do with this picture you took of said president showing his school spirit to the team mascot.
This interview is over. Consider yourselves expelled. You will never study in this town again.
Stephen Bartholomew Road. You were pushing 18-year-olds around. What will you do for an encore?
I think I'll look at our wedding photos and try to find your breasts.
Yeah, well, you're gonna have to look pretty hard because they're hidden under your gorgeous cousin's hands. You're not gonna let my ex-husband get away with this, are you?
Of course not. We're gonna go about our lives as if none of this ever happened.
Hello, Starbucks. You got any openings?
Yeah, well, in the 60s, we would have protested this kind of injustice. You know, bar the doors, seize the mics, tear the roof off this sucker!
What do you say, Mark?
I'm not sure. I might have to go to coffee school in the morning.
It's a yes.
Well, what are we waiting for? To the airwaves! Honest students and scum-sucking administrators. 2 righteous bros have been expelled just for exposing the truth, which we have proof of. So we have liberated this station and we will broadcast non-stop until they are back in school and ex-limo flunky Steve Rhodes admits he's a weenie. Steve Rhodes, give it to our demands now. The students have been mobilized. You are surrounded.
So these are your radicals? Odd. I don't hear anyone chant.
So, this is Bassapalooza.